Well, if you're wondering what it sounds like when you got a belt that's going to break on your lawnmower, I'll let you listen. Most of the time, it's not a steady noise when it's the belt, and it's going to have a wobble to it, like wah 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 wah, where the belt has a bad spot, and as it goes past all the pulleys, each time it hits one, it makes a noise. Another thing, as soon as you disengage the lawnmower blades and the deck stops turning, the noise goes away, like right now. Well, that's what a bad belt sounds like. I knew it was going bad. Well, there it is. The belt is broken in half and shredded. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Well, there you go. The only thing left to do now is to replace that belt. And we got to do it pretty quick because it's about dark and I want to get the grass cut first. I've got to take these covers off. If you've watched all my videos, you know I like to take these covers off because it just makes it easier to get the belt on. Boy, that belt's really shredded and it hasn't been on there that long either. Well, I looked at the owner's manual and the parts breakout has the belt for this mower deck being 143 inches long and 5/8 inches wide. But it is just really tight. I don't know if it's because I replaced the mower deck, but I believe the next belt I order, I'm going to order one that's an inch longer. It's either that or I'm going to have to do something to the tension spring because that belt is just too tight. Well, it didn't take too long at all, and I was ready to get the belt onto the last spindle. And my technique for doing that is to use a socket extension and use that to help pull the belt over the pulley. You know, to come to think of it, the last time I worked on this mower, there was one of the metal pulleys that had come in half, and that's when I replaced that belt. But I believe that's probably because this belt is just too tight. I'll put a link at the end of this video in case you're curious about that. I've had several viewers ask me, what do I think's making noise on the mower deck because they have some kind of sound? And at least that's one you can tell. That's what it sounds like when your belt's going bad. You can also smell the smell of burnt rubber. Well, thanks for watching. That was a quick one. Like, subscribe, check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next lawnmower video.